Hi everyone, welcome. This is Iswam Fanofyong from Iswaworthy Place YouTube channel and blog. So today I wanted to make a quick review and a quick video on how to make your blog and website found on the search engine. So when you start a blog, it is one thing to start a blog, right? And it's another thing for it to be found on the search engine. So the top two search engines are Google and Bing search engine. So what you need to do, what I'm going to share with you today, is to show you how to add your website or your blog to Google so it can be found on Google when people search for any content or any topic or any keywords that you've covered on your website or your blog. So I'm going to walk you through, very short, is a short video, so I'll walk you through and show you how to add your video to Google Search Console so that your content can be found on Google when people search for your site. So I'll explain more in the video as we open. So let's see what we need to do in real time. Alright, so this is the new blog I just launched now. I just installed. As you can see the date on the screen, published on 10th March 2021, as you've seen on this screen right now. So I want to log into the new site for us to see how to work from there. So this is the new blog. For you to log into your new site, you have to, after your blog URL, you have to look for this URL that has wp-admin/ right, and login. So I'll just copy this and paste for us to log in, for us to see, to log into our dashboard. So this is the new blog. It's empty, as you've seen. So how do you know that this blog is not ranked on Google or is not found on Google? So for instance, if you publish content now, it won't be found on the search engine because it has not been added to the search engine. You can add it to Google or you can add it to Bing, but today we are adding it to Google. So for us to check that this blog is not ranked on Google, we will go to Google and check it out for us to see. So what you need to do is to click on visit site from here and paste the URL and check if it is found on Google. So as you can see, it is not found on Google, but if you check a blog like iswaworthyplace.com, you'll see that it is found on Google. So let's just paste this and check it out for us to see. So as you can see, this blog post is found on Google, as you've seen here, right? But the other one is not found on Google. So we want to add this to Google search engine. So what we need to do is to go to Google Search Console and start from there. So you search, you can use any of the links, welcome all, any of them you want to use. So you click on start now. You can read up all these articles if you want, or you check out these videos to learn more about Google search engine. So you click on start now. When you click on start now, you allow it to load. So you select the email address that is linked to that account. Select the email address that's linked to the account you want to use. Right, from this site, select the email address, and if you have just one site, it will show automatically. So when you are here, you will click on add property, right? But first of all, let's install the plugin called Rank Math in case we want to use it. Rank Math. You can use Yoast SEO, but I use Rank Math. I prefer Rank Math. So let's just search for it and install it in case we need to use Rank Math. So you click on install now. It is simple. Click on install. It's installing, so we will just wait for it to be installed for us to get to use it in case we need it along the way. I don't want us to come back and install it again, so let's just install everything and move on at once. So all you need, okay, is installed. So you click on activate to add the plugin. So all right, connect account. We don't want to connect this now, so you skip it. We skip it for now. Start with that to add account. I don't want to add the account for now, but you can set this up. It's very important. So I'll just return to the dashboard. I'll return to dashboard. All right. Search Console in case we need to use anything on Search Console here. Alright, so having done this, let's go back to where we were and continue. you continue here. So you click on add property from here. So you type in the domain name, only the URL of the site. So you copy from here and paste, right, and click on continue. Click on continue here. You wait for it to verify the property that the site is verified. So they are asking us to verify this site. So for us to verify, we have to add the code to this site, to the code from Google to our site. So we are going to add this code. So what we need to do is to install another plugin for us to add the code on our site. So we install the plugin called Header. I think something Header something. Let's just check it out. If you see Header, insert, all right, insert this header and footers. This is the plugin we need. So we install it for us to add that code to our site, this code from Google here. So we just copy this code and add it to Google. All right, so the plugin is installed. So all you need to do here, as you are instructed, is copy the tag, this tag, and paste on your site homepage. Copy it and paste in the head section. So we copy it here, we've copied it. So we go back to the main site and open this plugin. So you look for the plugin and open and add the site. Insert, you go to settings, you go to insert headers and footers for you to add your website or your blog there. So this is the header, this is the body, and this is the footer, because we are asked to paste it in the header section before the body. So we paste it in this first section. So all you need to do is to click on paste, right, paste it here and click on save here at the bottom. Click on save. You see that the settings is saved. Then you go back to Google and click on verify that you've done this. You allow the site to be verified that you've added the code to the site. So now you've verified the ownership of the site, which is done right now. So you've verified the site on Google right now. So this is the new site. Very soon the reports will be picked that you've added the site to Google. So if we check back, I think we might allow some time for it to propagate, but let's just check back and see if it's added automatically. If it's added automatically, we'll see, but if not, we allow it to propagate, meaning that the site is added on Google. All right, it's not added yet, so we allow you to propagate since it is a new site. So you allow it. So as you've seen here, processing data, please check again in a day or so. So it's going to take a day or so for the data to be shown. So from here on, you see that if you start to write your blog post, you see your articles on Google, you see your site appear just like this. So you see that the site is propagated like this one is propagated. So you see all your blog posts right here, right? So we allow the site to propagate, and that is all. So we didn't actually need the rank math plugin, although we needed to set other things. So that is how to add your new blog or your new site to Google for it to be found. So from now on, if you write articles, your articles will be found on Google for everyone to come to your site and read your articles. So that is what I wanted to show us today, because I was going on to set this blog post. So I said, why not show us how to do that as well? So that is all about setting your blog to be found on search engine. You also have to do the same thing on Bing. So you also have to copy the tag again on Bing. You go to Bing search engine, Bing search engine, Google console. You go to Bing Google console and do the same thing, add and verify the site, just the same thing as we've done there. You copy the tag and add on Bing, and your site will also be found on Bing search console. So that is all I wanted to share with us in this video. So if you have any questions or if you need any help, you can drop them in the comment section and I will attend to you. Do have a blessed day.